Hi friends, so today I will show you my investigatory project of biology. So here you can see this is my topic FOP, that is Fibrodysplasia ossificans progressive. Here you can see the topic. This is my index. Whatever topic I have covered in my project I have mentioned in my index. This is my certificate. This is acknowledgement. The aim of the project is to create full detail about FOP disease, the life-taking disease with symptom, cause and treatment. This is the introduction, what FOP stands for, and this is the rare and dramatic genetic disorder that turns muscles, tendons and ligaments into bones, threatening to transform the victim into a statue of stones. So you can see that this is a very dramatic genetic disorder in which the muscles, tendons all are converted into bones. So the discovery of FOP, the most recognizable cases. So Harry Raymond Slack in 1933, 11 November was the subject recognized case of FOP from 19s. So he is the one who discovered, and he died in Philadelphia. See how the whole muscles and ligament turns into bones. This is about the research of FOP. This is the description. This is the disease. This you can see, this is the bones. This. So the frequency of the FOP, how it is spread, symptoms. So you can here see the symptom. First one is malformation of big toes, spontaneous flare up of inflammation of soft tissue, swelling, an increased flare up after injury, viral illness, immunization, frequent injury due to falling, trouble eating में trouble होगा, mild intellectual disability, difficult speaking, बोलने में भी दिक्कत आएगी, right side congestive, heart failure or respiratory infection or anemia are the common symptoms of the disease FOP. And the related disorder related to FOP, the immune system and FOP. Causes of FOP, how FOP caused. So mutation in ACVRI gene cause. So you can mind mutation in ACVRI genes cause FOP. So you can read. This is the inheritance pattern. This is inheritance pattern of FOP. See. This is diagnosis of FOP. This is genetic testing and FOP. Genetic test of FOP. This is laboratory finding of FOP. Challenges, therapeutics, assessment in FOP, treatment of FOP, conclusion and bibliography. So FOP is a rare genetic disorder in which bones forms in muscle, tendon and other connective tissue joint become locked and permanently immobile, which can't move. FOP itself rarely causes an emergency. Recent advances in neuroscience trying their best to prevent FOP. So neuroscience are trying their best for finding the prevention against the disease. And the bibliography, I have taken the help of Wikipedia and also the Medicine Net and my teacher my class teacher of biology. And last but not least, my parents support a lot in making a project. So if you like, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.